And all, it is Bob at Two Pots Breaks on Friday, November the 18th. We are breaking Bomb Box full-size helmets. Only the second box in our brand new series. We randomed up the 49 remaining numbers and actually got to box 2 for break 2. We did random team sales on your left. We have already randomized teams and customers. Alphabetized, y'all. Gave you all a chance to trade. Had an offer, but nothing went down. Alright, so here we go. Let's see what's going to be our second box there, guys. Oh, well. That's not a monster, bud. But let's see if that doesn't get you started with something there. It's actually a great looking helmet, just not one of our flexes there. I am going to be the beautiful DK Metcalf Flash Authentic. She does have the visor on her. Beckett Witness hologram, y'all. And it is going to be a dent. I know that because he was trying to trade Lone Star there. Oh, sorry to you, Lone Star. I'm very sorry, everybody else as well, guys. Came out of the gate a little soft, but guys, y'all saw the same damn thing happen, man, the last 2 series, and then we had a little bit of a soft first day, and then, man, we went on friggin' rolls where it was nothing but flexes for 20 straight boxes. It was nuts. To be dense. Alright, that is gonna wrap up break number 2. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central, Bob at Two Pots Break.